Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Until You Get. Today we are going to discuss the most important general knowledge questions. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to see my upcoming videos. Let's start the today's session. Indian Parliament is dash unicameral, bicameral, tricameral or none of these. The answer is bicameral. The Parliament of India is bicameral with two houses. One is Rajya Sabha and the another one is Lok Sabha. And the Rajya Sabha is called as Council of States and Lok Sabha is known as House of the People. The next question. Which among the following a pure element? The answer is sodium. Sodium bicarbonate is the chemical name of which of the following? The answer is baking soda. Which of the following reaction is the main cause of energy radiated from sun? The answer is nuclear fusion reaction. Who amongst the following gave the periodic law? The answer is Dmitry Mendeleev. Who has the authority to decide in the event of dispute in election of the President of India? The answer is Supreme Court. Council of Ministers are collectively responsible to which of the following? According to the Article 75 of Indian Constitution, the Council of Ministers are collectively responsible for the Parliament and in general is Lok Sabha and it is headed by the Prime Minister of India. The answer for the question is Lok Sabha. The vote of Speaker Lok Sabha is called. The answer is casting vote. In Indus Valley civilization, Great Bath is found in which of the following place? It is found in the place of Mohenjo-daro. Taxila University is located currently in which country? The answer is Pakistan. Battle of Haldighati was fought between which two armies? The answer is Akbar and Rana Pratap. Who had built the Amer fort? And it is built by Raja Man Singh. Barren Island is located in which of the following country? The answer is India. Which of the following is a landlocked country? The answer is Switzerland. Who among the following is known as father of medicine? The father of medicine is Hippocrates. Which of the following is a vestigial organ in human body? The answer is tailbone. Which of the following is responsible for cellular respiration? The answer is mitochondria. Mohiniyattam is related to which state? It is related to the state of Kerala. Who was the president of India Independence of India League formed in 1928? The answer is Srinivasa Iyengar. On what day did the civil disobedient movement was started? It was started in the day of 12th March 1930. Who is the principal regulatory authority for stock market in India? The Securities and the Exchange Board of India is the regulatory for the securities of stock market. Which article in the Indian Constitution describes India as union and states? The answer is Article 1. The next question, Indian Constitution provides how many writs? The answer is 5 writs. How many Mahajanpadas were there in ancient India? There are 16 Mahajanpadas in ancient India. In which century Bhakti movement was started? The Bhakti movement was started in 7th century. In which year Quit India movement was started? It was started in the year of 1942. How much portion of Earth's surface is covered by water? And the answer is 2/3 of the portion is covered by water. Indian Standard Time is based upon the Indian Standard Meridian which passes through. The answer is Allahabad. Which among the following is known as Tsangpo? The answer is Brahmaputra. Chumbi Valley is located in which state? The answer is Sikkim. Two bones are connected to each other by connective tissue called. The answer is ligament. A dash splits sunlight into 7 colors. The answer is prism. At what temperature water converts into vapor? 373 Kelvin. What is the frequency, unit of frequency? The answer is hertz. Spinach contains. The answer is oxalic acid. If you like this video, kindly share to your friends and tell your valuable feedback in comment section. Let's see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.